intense. And again, it sounded well, a lot to feel good, we got the music going, there was a lot of tension. Okay? And you do not have to be tense to be intense. This is, some intensity in this music, but so the first thing I want to try to, Professor Davis mentioned something really great that I had always, in the back of my mind, thought about it, but never really put to. When we talk about syncopation, right, the textbook conducting says, for those of you that will study this before, if you want a syncopated gesture, you have to have a lot of energy on the downbeat, but the textbook says stop. So you stop, but again, like that doesn't do anything as a player. And I meant, like, so everything was, so stopping. And so what I want to see is just to kind of free you up, put the baton down. Okay? We'll do this again at the beginning, okay? And I want you to doesn't matter where you put the beat, but there has to be something after wherever you put the beat. Okay? So that's the first one. Breathe. Doesn't matter, whatever, even if it's just one, have some motion out, okay? And then the other thing, how was the beginning of that? Did it sound good? Was it together?
I was a little stiff. I started amplifying and shaking.
No, how did the beginning of Blacksmith sound? Because you went here, this is where we're going to start, and you signed a contract with them, but then you went, and you finish somewhere else, so their brain just goes, So when you start, you're initiating a contract with the ensemble. Finish your gesture wherever you honor your contract. Finish wherever you start, Yeah, after, but make sure that because whenever they see that, they're expecting it's coming, it's going to end in the same spot. Okay? So, let's get rid of some of that tension. Okay. Better. We're working, taking steps, okay? If you were playing this, how would you breathe? You demonstrate just air. You said you're low brass, right? Yeah, air low brass it for me. How are you going to breathe? Okay, not. Yeah, okay, so deeper breath. And again, keep working to. Okay. Something else. Again, and this is, we're nitpicking. This is under like the umbrella, it's going well, but I want to see if we can make a breakthrough. So, posture, body language implies something, and your body language is implying a little bit of, right? Because of the way it's set up. Yeah, so feet here, and then up, down. You ever, if you go to the gym, you know those heavy medicine balls? If you had a table and you were bouncing the medicine ball, not dropping it completely, but just like.
Obviously, compared to 10-pound weights.
Okay. Oh, right. So take the weight. So if the weight were to bounce.
Like basketball?
Yeah, but like a 10-pound basketball. So maybe a medicine ball. You're not just dropping it, you're bouncing it, so your head can't. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and then here, relax. So. Yeah. Okay. So let's try that again. Still no baton. Start a little bit lower. So if this is your chin, this is where your shoulder. Start maybe with your hands Yeah, maybe around a little bit around your belly button. Yeah. Yeah, and then just breathe. And think of maybe a little longer exhale. Yeah, but see how like you. Okay, all right. And this is the hard part. Like you're not gonna make these changes right away. It's gonna take a little bit. So let's try something. You're not conducting Holst. You're conducting Bach, and it's all lyrical. Don't change the general. Don't change the tempo. You know, to stop. But you're conducting lyrical music. It's all lyrical. It's still the same dynamic, the same kind of style, but it's all lyrical. What would that look like?
You mean more like macho?
They're all long notes. They just sound like blacksmith. And it's the same tempo. It's the same tempo as blacksmith. It's the same style as the blacksmith. They're all long. Yeah, it's just you. I mean, you are just like, like, what would it look like if all these eighth notes had like tenuto? If you saw, marks on it, if it said long, length, thick, anything but short. Anything but short. Anything but. We're experimenting here, we're getting on your back, and I appreciate you letting me kind of put you in uncomfortable positions, which is great, because that's how we grow. But this, would you agree that was at least better? They were, okay, so now, don't be afraid to move. Give us motion, but again, give me some of this rather than that. Boom, 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 ba-da-dum, boom. Just see if we can move a little bit to try to get you moving in. Conduct, like I want you to give beats, it's okay. This is what we're not working on trying to remove the beat in this particular instance. Well, I'm just trying to make you comfortable, or get you to realize how to move through space a little bit more. So, see what I'm doing? Mirror me. 1, 2, 3. But you see how your arms are stopping, your hands are stopping when mine are not? See, it's not a particular pattern, but you see how the motion. Just try some of that. Try some of that. Okay? Whatever it is, just but you see, move, don't stop. Move. The style is somewhere in between what I'm asking you to do and where you are. And we'll keep, I have a couple ideas to again, just try to get you to move air, because it was clear. So if you needed to conduct this, it would work, because again, you're very clear, there's an idea, and you're doing it to react. But again, it's not helpful for them to get that right. And so, but yeah, we can just get you. I got a couple of ideas. We can chat after this. So, all right, thank you.